Are you tired of long delays and rising costs when erecting your steel buildings? Many face the challenge of inefficient construction methods that can lead to frustration and project overruns. But what if there were a way to streamline the entire process? Introducing our expert pre-engineered steel building erection contractors. With our innovative techniques and skilled team, we guarantee a swift, seamless construction experience, allowing you to focus on what truly matters, your business. We understand that time is money, which is why our services are designed to minimize downtime and maximize efficiency. Our pre-engineered solutions are not only cost-effective but also ensure quality and durability, giving you peace of mind from the ground up. Imagine a construction project that meets your deadlines and stays within budget while providing exceptional results. To know more details, contact us today to get free consultation, or visit our website link in description. Don't forget like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.